Generative AI, a cutting-edge technology, has been making waves in the field of artificial intelligence. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into 10 astonishing facts about the new generative AI, providing you with deep insights and perspectives that will keep you at the forefront of this exciting technological advancement. The power of generative AI. Generative AI is not merely an evolution, but a revolution in how machines learn and create. This remarkable technology empowers machines to generate content, replicate human creativity, and even produce music or art. The potential applications are boundless, spanning industries and revolutionizing processes. Generative AI has demonstrated remarkable capabilities in the realm of content creation. It can autonomously generate written articles, scripts, and even poetry, blurring the lines between human-authored content and machine-generated output. This transformative ability has far-reaching implications for industries like journalism, content marketing, and creative writing. Generative AI in everyday life. From chatbots providing seamless customer support to algorithms creating hyper-realistic images, generative AI is seamlessly integrating into our daily interactions with technology. It is fundamentally shaping the future of how we engage with machines, making the interaction more intuitive and immersive. In customer service, chatbots powered by generative AI have evolved beyond basic rule-based responses. They can now engage in dynamic, context-aware conversations, understanding nuances and providing tailored solutions. This advancement has revolutionized customer support, offering efficient and personalized assistance around the clock. Generative AI and natural language processing. Generative AI has unlocked unprecedented levels of natural language processing, enabling machines to comprehend context, discern tone, and infer intent. This breakthrough makes interactions with machines more fluid and human-like than ever before, opening up new horizons in communication. The proficiency of generative AI in natural language processing is exemplified by its ability to engage in coherent, contextually relevant conversations. It can understand and respond to complex queries, maintain contextual coherence across multiple exchanges, and even mimic the style and tone of specific authors or writing genres. Bridging the gap between humans and machines. One of the most intriguing facets of generative AI is its ability to bridge the chasm between human creativity and machine capabilities. It blurs the lines between what is created by humans and what is generated by machines, fundamentally altering our understanding of creativity and authorship. Generative AI operates at the intersection of human ingenuity and computational power. It leverages vast datasets and sophisticated algorithms to autonomously create content that rivals human-generated output. This blurring of creative authorship challenges preconceived notions about the limits of artificial intelligence. The ethical implications. As generative AI continues to advance, pressing questions about ethics and accountability come to the forefront. Who is ultimately responsible for the content generated by machines, and how do we ensure it aligns with our values and intentions? These questions demand thoughtful consideration and rigorous ethical frameworks. The ethical landscape surrounding generative AI is multifaceted, encompassing concerns about bias, authenticity, and the responsible use of technology. It raises questions about the potential propagation of misinformation, as well as the potential to generate content that may be politically or socially sensitive. Navigating the ethical landscape. Addressing ethical concerns surrounding generative AI is of paramount importance. Industry leaders, policymakers, and ethicists are collaboratively working to establish guidelines and frameworks that govern its use. This concerted effort is essential to ensure that generative AI is harnessed for the betterment of society. The collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers is crucial in developing a robust ethical framework for generative AI. This framework should encompass principles such as transparency, accountability, and fairness in content generation. Additionally, it should address issues related to bias mitigation and the responsible deployment of this technology in sensitive domains. Generative AI and personalization. Generative AI holds the potential to revolutionize personalization across various industries. From crafting tailored marketing messages to offering highly customized product recommendations, it is reshaping how businesses engage with their audience. This personal touch has the potential to create deeper connections and enhance customer experiences. The integration of generative AI in personalization strategies marks a paradigm shift in how businesses interact with their customers. It enables the creation of dynamic, context-aware content that adapts to individual preferences and behaviors. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement and fosters stronger brand loyalty. The future of personalized experiences. Envision a world where every interaction with technology feels uniquely tailored to you. Generative AI is spearheading a future where personalization reaches unprecedented heights, blurring the boundaries between human and machine interaction. This promises a more intuitive and fulfilling technological landscape. The future of personalized experiences driven by generative AI holds immense potential. As this technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate a seamless integration of personalized content across various touchpoints in our daily lives. From personalized news feeds to customized entertainment recommendations, the applications are limitless. One of the key drivers of this future is the convergence of generative AI with other cutting-edge technologies. When combined with augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, generative AI can create immersive, personalized experiences that transcend the limitations of traditional interfaces. This convergence will redefine how we perceive and interact with digital content. Generative AI in healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, generative AI stands as a game-changer. It plays a pivotal role in medical research, aids in diagnostics, and even assists in developing personalized treatment plans. The impact on patient outcomes and the advancement of medical science is nothing short of revolutionary. Generative AI has emerged as a critical tool in medical research and drug discovery. By analyzing vast datasets of genetic information, clinical trials, and drug interactions, it can identify potential candidates for novel drug compounds. This accelerates the process of drug development, potentially leading to breakthroughs in the treatment of various diseases. Transforming healthcare delivery. With the integration of generative AI, healthcare providers can offer more precise diagnoses and treatments, ultimately leading to improved patient outcomes. This marks a significant leap forward in the field of medicine, promising a future where healthcare is more effective, accessible, and tailored to individual needs. Generative AI and creative industries. Artists, musicians, and writers are discovering a wellspring of inspiration in generative AI. Rather than replacing human creativity, it acts as a collaborator, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. It provides a fresh perspective, offering new avenues for artistic expression and exploration. Generative AI has emerged as a catalyst for creative exploration across various artistic disciplines. In the realm of visual arts, artists are leveraging generative AI to generate complex patterns, intricate designs, and even entire landscapes. These creations serve as a starting point for further artistic interpretation and refinement. Redefining creative processes. Generative AI tools provide artists with innovative mediums to express themselves. Musicians are composing with the assistance of AI-generated melodies, and artists are using algorithms to spark their visual creations. This symbiotic relationship between human creativity and artificial intelligence is redefining the creative process. The integration of generative AI into the creative process marks a paradigm shift in how artists approach their work. Rather than viewing AI as a replacement for human creativity, it is embraced as a collaborative partner. Artists leverage AI-generated content as a source of inspiration, a canvas to build upon, and a catalyst for new artistic directions. Generative AI and data security. As generative AI gains prominence, concerns about data security emerge as a critical consideration. How do we ensure that sensitive information remains untampered and unexploited by AI algorithms? This necessitates the development of robust security measures and encryption protocols. The intersection of generative AI and data security demands a multifaceted approach. One of the key considerations is data encryption, ensuring that sensitive information remains protected from unauthorized access. This involves implementing strong encryption protocols and access controls to safeguard data integrity. Safeguarding data integrity. In the age of generative AI, safeguarding data integrity is paramount. It requires a proactive approach to identify and address potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure. This commitment to data integrity is foundational in harnessing the full potential of generative AI. Ensuring data integrity involves continuous monitoring and auditing of AI systems. Regular assessments of AI algorithms for vulnerabilities or potential exploits are essential in maintaining a secure environment. This proactive stance helps identify and rectify issues before they can be leveraged for malicious purposes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.